everyone! Do you remember last week when we talked about rain? We learned where rain comes from and why it falls from the sky. But have you ever noticed what sometimes appears after the rain?
A rainbow! Sometimes after it rains and the sun comes out, we see a big, colorful rainbow in the sky.
That's right, Tucker. Rainbows appear when sunlight shines through tiny raindrops in the air.
The light bends and spreads out into lots of beautiful colors.
Each raindrop acts like a tiny prism.
When sunlight goes through the raindrops, it bends, bounces, and separates into colors we can see. There are 7 colors in a rainbow. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 colors.
That's called ROYGBIV. Want to see a real rainbow at home?
A rainbow? Yes, please.
You can make one yourself.
Really, I can?
Of course!
Awesome!
Spray the garden hose into the sunlight.
Look! I see red, orange, yellow, green.
Here's a fun fact. Rainbows are actually full circles.
But from the ground, we usually only see half of the rainbow. Rainbow hunt time! I see red in an apple. I see yellow in a banana. I see blue right here. How about you? Can you find all the rainbow colors where you are?
Have fun hunting for rainbows everywhere.
I will, Grandma.
That's my boy.
Have you ever seen a rainbow after the rain? What was your favorite color?
Keep watching the sky and keep learning with us.
See you next time.